To create a questionnaire, scroll down on the consultant's profile and click Launch Questionnaire. In the new window, you have the option to launch the questionnaire manually or with AI. In the first case, you need to add skills manually or even multiple skills at once. In the second case, paste the job description in the box. You can also opt to perform an AI review on the profile and generate the CV as well. Then, click Launch Questionnaire AI. After processing, you'll get a new pop-up where you can see the list of skills. You can also add more skills to the questionnaire here. Once you're done with this window, press Launch Questionnaire. You'll get a link to the questionnaire, and all you have to do is send it to your consultant. Then, the consultant has to click Begin after opening the link, answer yes or no to each of the questions, and assign the tech stack to her projects. When she finishes the questionnaire, you'll receive an email with a link to the new profile with updated information based on her answers.